This is a short video on the rules of logs with a focus on Rule 3. Rule 3 states that if I have log to the base a of x to the power of q, that I can bring the q in front and write it as q times log to the base a of x. It's important that the q is a power on the x part of the term. The q should not be getting applied to the entire log term. So if we see something like this, log to the base a of x all to the power of q, then this rule is not applicable in that case. Here's an example. I want to evaluate log to the base 2 of 2 to the power of 15. I'm going to do this without a calculator. You can imagine that getting 2 to the power of 15 would be a fairly onerous task, lots of multiplication there. But actually, because I've got access to Rule 3, I'm going to be able to make this much simpler than it would otherwise be. So I'm going to be able to bring the 15 in front, and now it's 15 times log to the base 2 of 2. Now I don't have a calculator, so I need to evaluate log to the base 2 of 2 now. I'm going to let log to the base 2 of 2 equal to x. Now I'm going to rewrite the statement using exponents instead. So I'm writing 2, that's the 2 from the base, to the power of x equals 2. The 2 on the right hand side, you can see, is 2 to the power of 1. And now because I've got one term on each side, I can cancel off my bases. They're the same base, that's why I can do it. And that gives me x equals to 1. This is the value for log to the base 2 of 2. So I'll substitute that in for log to the base 2 of 2, and then my calculation is just 15 times 1, and my result at the end is 15. This time I want to evaluate log to the base 2 of 8 cubed. Okay, so again I can bring the power in front, and then I want to evaluate log to the base 2 of 8. Take a moment to do this yourself, pause the video, and see can you work out the final solution for this particular calculation. Well, log to the base 2 of 8 comes out as 3, so my calculation is 3 by 3. And my final answer in this case is going to be 9.